Right, so to run the wires, you need to pop this cover off the end, which you can do with a key or a screwdriver. Take your pick, and it just unclips and pulls out. You'll have to mind the absolute mess of wires in here because I've got several things wired in, but basically these cables here are the ones for the sub. They go up the back of it to above where the media unit is. Basically this unit here, you can pop it out. There's a tab there and a tab there. You can just use a really long flat bladed screwdriver, or I use just one single blade of a scissor in each side, pull it out together. That's how you can get to the connector at the back. Once you've got that out, there's a hole in the top where this sits, where you can thread your wires through, which is where they're coming from up there. Then I've threaded them wires down here. These are all SAN wires, by the way, and the earth, because I earthed the earth cable into that main black connector, because that was before I knew about the one down here. So they run down here. That's the power cable for it there. That's just again threaded through here from down underneath where that black wire is. That's where I've tapped into in the fuse box, which is behind here, which just literally, you know, if you can see it through that gap. You can't see it, but it comes up behind. You'll see the gap when you've got it out, so you can thread it through. And all these wires, I just literally push them in between the door seal in this bottom panel. Then they run along here. And to get this out, you literally just pull it up like so. You don't have to completely remove it, you can get it out enough just to get your wires under like that. You can see them going under all the way down. All the way down here. And then I'll go in the back door. I've threaded them under here. You can see the very small cut in the carpet I made to get them to come through. Then they go under my rear carpet, all the way under the back seat, and then wire into the sub at the back down there. Simple as that.